This is the sailing club. Sailing club. Okay, මෙන්න බලන්න beach එක, okay? Have a look at the beach. How beautiful. Look. Steve is sailing. Steve is somewhere there with over the sailing boat. But I can't see him. Steve කොහේ හරි ඔතන ඉන්නවා. මට හොයාගන්න බෑ. ඉතින් හොයාගන්න sail කරනවා. So it's good for the fitness and he loves it. So, I will show you when they come out. I can show you what's happening. What a beautiful evening. All these boats, and this is the Hayling Island Sailing Club. And out there, somewhere, my man is sailing. There you go, my man. Look, he's sailing. Hey, baby! So, I'm just sitting and watching the race. Steve is somewhere there, out there, and I will show you later when he comes near me. So he's sailing and he's happy, and so I'm happy for him. මම ඉතින් ඉඳගෙන බලන් ඉන්නවා රේස් එක යන දිහා, සේල් කරන දිහා. It's quite interesting. Look, everyone is sailing. I will show when Steve comes. Steve ආවහම මම පෙන්නන්නම් එයා සේල් කරන විදිය. That's the sailing club, and look, everyone is in the water sailing happily. Good exercise. ආව බහගෙන යන්නේ දැන් 8 o'clock වෙනවා. දැන් 8 o'clock අටත් වෙලා තාම එළිය තියෙනවා. Hi baby. Hi. He's there. He's come on. Oh. He's happy. There you go. He's coming.
It's stuck, he can't get in.
There you go. He's coming. He's the first on the... Are you the first to come out?
No. The others, they finished enough early.
Oh my God. I was like, oh, I was waiting. I was here since 6:50.
Fourth was. Push that trolley in the water a little bit.
Okay.
This one here.
Yeah.
to be rescued.
Rescued, yeah.
It's good exercise.
Yeah, good exercise, yeah.
Sunsail.
Oh, burger time.
Not so happy on the Hailing Island weekday.